Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and this is a really nice one. I'm excited about shooting this. It's a 2022 Grand Design 226RK. It's really a unique unit, and I think you'll like it. Let me know in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this floor plan. It's rather unique. To me, it's perfect for the couple. Perhaps this may be one of their later RVs, and they're going to travel the country without their children. Or it's a perfect RV for the starter couple that is bringing in the children into their life. Appreciate you watching. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a comment below what you think. Here we go. So the sticker price on this Grand Design Reflection 150 series is $63.18. There's a link below for Bill Thomas RV, new, used, service, and parts. Give them an opportunity to earn your business. I think you're really going to like this floor plan. It's a unique RV. The Grand Design insulation package is R9 on the walls, R30 on the floor, and R40 on the roof as we open up and show the propane bottle. The length on this RV, and this is what to me is unique, it's 2611, so just under 27 feet for a fifth wheel. That's on the shorter side. Here's the pass-through storage, and it is insulated, and you can also see the aluminum floor joists and the floors. Remember, the floors are R30. All this information's listed below. There's your power hookup cord. You also have your power shutoff. That's that red knob. Very, very nice. Tandem axle unit. So some of the vitals: sleeps for one slide. Length is 2611, so just under 27 feet. We have an 18-foot power awning with LED lighting. As we step up inside the RV, you can see the gathering room very nicely laid out and on the smaller side. But to me, as I mentioned at the beginning, if you're just starting out or this is one of your later purchases, this would be great to travel the country, easy to get in and out of parking, easy to back up with a shorter RV, shorter fifth wheel. High ceilings. So the exterior height is 12 feet. And I'll give you some of the weights as we look at the under dining storage. The hitch weight is 1190. Gross weight is 990.95. So 9,995, just under 10,000 pounds. Dry weight is 7,204. So that gives you a 2,700 pound storage capacity. As we take a look at the 10 cubic foot refrigerator. And then as far as your storage capacities, your tank capacities, fresh gray and black are 56, 71, and 39. Your furnace is a 35,000 BTU furnace. And then you have an AC unit, which is a 15,000 BTU AC unit, 3-burner cooktop, nice size oven, perfect for pizza, bread, throwing a turkey or maybe a goose or a duck in there. You want to pluck it first. Above microwave storage, and then you also have the microwave with the exhaust as well as LED lighting underneath the microwave. Nice drying rack for the 2-bowl sink, and then also on the swan neck we have the pull-out shower nozzle, which makes cleaning up. And then I really like this, makes cleaning up easy. I really like this little table just inside the door on the back side of the dining. To me, that's a nice touch. As far as your TV is concerned, that's a 40-inch LED TV. As we take a couple steps up into the bathroom area, and then we'll go back to the bedroom here in a moment. The shower is a 30 by 36, so it's 3 feet wide and then 30 inches deep. We have a medicine cabinet above the sink, as you see. And then there are 3 doors for the shower. They're glass doors. And so it's a tri-fold or a tri-slide shower door configuration, which allows it to open up a little bit wider. You also have another medicine cabinet above the commode foot operated commode. As we step into the bedroom, we have a queen size bed with very large underbed storage. Here we have a magnetic closed door, so if you slide that door closed, the magnet will hold it closed. We have plenty of windows, which gives you the cross ventilation you're looking for in your bedroom. Above cabinet storage, or above bed storage, cabinet storage, and then you have USB ports above on the shelf, and then you have your plug-ins on the left and right side of the bed, and then plenty of underbed storage under the queen bed storage you can see here. Two 30-pound LP bottles on the outside. Here is your wardrobe area. So above you have the wardrobe, and then you have your drawers for your smaller items. And then here's your wardrobe with your clothing rod at the top for hang-up clothes. And again, there's a window here and a window on the other side for your cross ventilation, which I'm always looking for cross ventilation. In the springtime and the fall, I love letting that cool air in. Again, there's plugs on both left and right, his and her side, and then the USB above. Great place for a flat screen TV. It's pre-wired, and then also it is supported behind the wall, so when you attach your flat screen TV. As we take a walk back down to the gathering room, I hope you like this as much as I do. I'm really impressed with this length and the way this RV is laid out. If you agree, give me a thumbs up.